Because everything is possible. But like I said, they don't come fly for this phone. Oh. And my big phone I be still dey use. So what I go on? How you all doing, my people? Now good evening. Thanks for joining. As you are joining the video, please tap, power tap, yeah? Wanna give the video love and like and share. Wanna come listen to the almighty audio of 2019 of this una musician so and Monica Pesho and other people were involved. The reason why I want settle down play this video for all of una my people where they watch me so, because this matter don't dey grant for a very long time. And I no go lie una, thanks for joining, Mama Diamond Gold, thanks for joining. I no go lie una, the first time where this issue of this audio come outside, the first time where this issue of this native daughter audio, bewa audio, a lot of audio, a lot of privacy conversation, that 2019 where it come at my people, I no go lie una, if you ask me outside, if not be say I won't play the audio now, if you ask me, okay, my phone does subscribe by itself. Oh my God, thank God. So guys, if you ask me 20 what did they call them, 20 if you ask me, yeah, if you ask me now, say, oh Queen, so yeah, like this, they say something like this happen, they say that's your video of yesterday carry way to I see him for all platform, people they praise you for the video, you try well. Wow, thank you, Mama, thank you. Hey, yeah, they do well where they take praise me. Oh, yeah, we say, you understand? I tell Nasa not they do saga again, but if I just see anything where be say no go where I will just still talk him as it be. Hey, I know they do saga. Even this one I want to do now, I know they do saga. I just want you yourself where they watch, you go listen, take your 10 cents. If you say the audio they okay, person where you talk, the voices where you hear, if you say they are right, they are right. If you say they are wrong, they are wrong. Me no get any say, or maybe I will come. If I want to put my 10 cents, I'll just put my 10 cents. Say, guys, this is what I think about this issue. If I not just want to put my shishi cents, I'll just have to leave and say, okay, you people should decide. Because not be say maybe if saga come, we no go do one. I will just wait for people to come for me. Then I'll know how best to react. So my amazing people, una know say 2019, please, as you are joining, thumbs up, love and like and share so that other people go fit join us for this peaceful video. 2019, a lot of things happen, a lot of shit went or go on, and you know, this now the whole phone they hot. You know, just hold on where or you see, he go just they misbehave on his own. So I want to know if my network is okay so that we can continue, so that we can start peacefully and genuinely. Is the network okay, guys? Please, somebody should comment it. Let me see. Is the network okay? Is my network okay? So that we will continue. Though I just a subscriber and I don't say any time to take pick. I believe say by now it's supposed to don't pick. It's supposed to don't pick. So it goes supposed to don't be okay by now. So Mona let me know if the network don't be okay by now. Move fire down. Let's go there. Let me start playing the audio while you guys be the judge. I'll just explain it for now. Small. So guys, we are here. Okay, thanks for joining. Mama, sit down on top. Thanks for joining. So this one are the almighty 2019 audio of ES where she talk about her colleague, her loved ones, and even her relationship. So now I want to play for now. So the one I not still here where I will take my time to use my mouth to explain it to you guys. Okay? Bad comment, don't forget. I will block you immediately. All right. So let's go there.
There's no way where there's no way.
Guys, this first place when I just play, so let me repeat it before I explain it to you guys, okay? Mona listening because I want to make all of us on even a chat. I will never chat on this video. I want to make all the word mentioned in this video. May they say our ear. You understand? The volume goes to increase just now. You know, say na so she takes starter. So Mona listening.
There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I don't know the man making love and they making love. Man making the guys, man making love. You probably imagine what man making love. You know now. But you know, I talk to you every day.
Okay, that part one I hear just now. Now for the man will be DS. All right, that man so he dey give ES message. According to DS they tell ES say two of them get issue because ES tell DS say he no go fit for the corner bending relationship. She no wants again. Say the last time when two of them do husband and wife something, now the man bena go corner, go the knacking, which is parlor knacking. The man was not proud enough to take her inside to knock her. The man knock her for parlor bending. So now the man they explain to her and I say, you know where we did that very day. You understand? That place was tight, you know, but we still knock. You understand? We knock, which is, I don't want, when I hear where you say they make something, I don't want to talk and finish because of Facebook. Una the year, also na the year, for the year, say, I the year. Thanks for joining, Mama Emata Robot. Thanks for joining. Good evening, my amazing people. So, let's play it continuously. If you miss anything, just tell me. I will take it back for you. I have a rush you. Now the one now this Eminore 2019 audio now. Me won't know because me not really watch on them. That 2019 I not watch on because I thought all of them was AI generated. All of them are fake. All of them after they don't put pepper water for my eye, throw pepper soup water for my eye, scatter my page up and down. So I can't get interest for the 2019 audio, and this is my opportunity. Now this time I lay my hand on the full video. So like me go delete the video. If you like block on my page from your page, no worry. I just settled down download this one. Here is a web banner. If I don't play it like this finish, I'll come remove your voice. I'll come remove the analyzer voice. I'll come remix her. Then I'll come post her freely like that. So if you want analyzer, you don't need to come to hear third party voice. You'll just go to fluently.
Esther was stressed boy now. Hey,
thanks for joining, Mama Chess.
That is destiny. Area control. The president of Shegenish. The market Gualovano, president of Shege. Shege father. Amame no mu. Amunona we no be me o. I get work. Amunona no be me o. I get wife. Amunona we no be me o. Who I shop money? Yeah, destiny don't go ever. Shege father president. We greet you. Bele o, bele mommy. Eh, no man say we no man get by your disgrace someone. Don't chuki vie. He get another confession where they yes money is you.
I beg do so would be better. So yes,
that one
I will do it.
If I still talk and just now, why we not have it? But not true.
That time I will remove all these extra voices. I will remove them.
One person we can they ask for if you nakedness for 1 million from destiny. Now destiny talker. He did my audio. Yes, but he did my archive. Did my archive. I'll carry on for
share the video, my people, please. Mona Emi thumbs up and share, please.
Destiny say somebody. What? Oma opare itawu wa mu vie do poto. Ivie do no mo vie do poto. Onya hia dezebulu kele we di Jesu. Iya hia dezebulu kele. Another of yet, if I tell not today, as he big rich, he say the verse for Ivie. He can't go the now Destiny talking. I record that. He can't go the beg Destiny. Send me Ivie nakedness. Destiny.
Mona wait, to audio never start. Oh, why are you about doing Jiban?
Now I can say audio.
The matter is strong, eh? I not even hear on that time. I not listen. I not even watch on.
Destiny now do you have where they would never now or when you want to show for 1 million.
My wife mentioned their names, nothing they do, nothing
Destiny knows if you sell for 1 million,
say that you they will call your name. Yes, my lady, make I talk to this comment. I say they hear you. Thank you, my people, Mama Yamata. He say my mention their name. Yes, mentioning their name not be anything, just be like one small mosquito noise. You understand? Not be say to measure their name. Not be una know me now. Who be that one of you measure their name? But it's just that because of say I they do this video now so that their fans, both their lovers and their haters, may they come be the judge of this video. Because if I start to call their name, they give me bo as it take them my mind. They will feel say I dey bias. They will feel say now because of say we know they talk or we know they not make me they do one. So let me just play it as the take do one may be raw. I never put my own 10 cents, you understand? And he may your be say, okay, now wait till we see. Now we they talk so. Now they get me. Fear person. What about when you fear? For which thing that? I didn't Nigeria no fear. Now Europe was down beg now what they fear. Manager on the try for say now Evelyn send her. Now Evelyn still tell her to say all these things. My lady, may I talk to you for this Mama Gloria? Thanks for joining. Una know say this video when I play, so na pay show Monica use this video do. If I tell una how much she make on this video, if I tell una how much where she make for this video, where she they come out now they shout yeah. Evelyn, Edward, make it cut off. I just they look and say, see this one. You don't already spoil everything. You don't spoil everything. You know feel repair. If person tell you something, no is and send you message. If you na gotta go court, now you they go home. Because who tell you Oma ya gie wo? Ena. Una they get me some amazing people. She used this video to do pay show. Pay show where be say almost 1,000 people now pay to go wash. Today now she don't shop all the money on nene ya kwa ne talk so we what the mighty do the go niye. What the mighty the great do the go niye ba won ba rele no view.
We are there 30 million.
Well, yeah.
For this position. Yeah, they go this shit. What? Don't worry. I'm not talking to you. Yeah, Mona, yeah, we Destiny officially tell us say now the church get father. President of church get fathers where we they look for says I'm no more. I'm on the matete for I'm on the scheme where go I shop money. I'm on the Domano give also. Oh, where not be me. I'm on also.
Thanks for joining, Mama Jessica. Thanks for joining.
Email. Oh, back email. Here, salop one. Who bell email. And I went out with Muno. Since I'm giving me up Yawe, a shaman, I'm mammy up Yawe president. And I went on the pressure man. I don't make it up with them for. And you know, the Destiny Tim.
Can I walk on say, ya get it, you will because you want to consider upon an yakili, and it will have it to my yakili, to up in the yakili, you. It a man in a way, get it, yes, we don't go away consider upon a yakili, you will then consider a winner,
now, this one are one of the Mumu women where the man cash for Europe. The woman name was Rita. You can hear the man explaining to us, say, Rita na ti agele ri oigo, Rita na ri conserveja, Rita na ti agele ri oigo, ite we have a to one, ito one, ya wa ri oigo ti awa finish it. Una see and say, it don't tell where Europe people they pass through things from all these people, all these men. Una see and say, it don't tell where Europe women they pass through things from this men. They will come to you, they'll say they want to marry you. Guys, love this video, okay? They don't flag this video. No, she do it for you. She do it for YouTube. She can't do a page show for Facebook. You go here, your snap. You go here, your snap. It's special. Una they get me. She use and do page show. She use and do page show. Una they hear me some amazing people. This is what our women are facing. A man now, where people be thinking a responsible man. Man, where you go see for outside, we are bad, you go say daddy dede, brother dede, or tell me nothing, or we are dog making. Now they talk now, say, in your fellow Edo sister, where you go to store, where you fall in love with her, not be by force say woman fall, not be new thing say woman see man, she fall in love. For you to tell the woman now, say, I no do, I no marry you, I'm occupied, una destroy your bonus one kaigo. Most of those women now, they end up in train station. Some they say egusi with Carello, some they say ogbolo with Carello. Una they see, it don't say where these people, they target Europe women. It don't say where these people, they do Europe women. But if you catch the red-handed, they will want they form saints. They want they form say you they drag them for no reason. They don't do you anything. They don't need you. But they hiding amuria my people. Now no go area. Ikwe so ni mameve. They don't state ni we bona. Fear them. Fear them.
Chineke wanta
Give me now, me take my worry back there. My worry back there, they should throw now.
Esther come.
Now, the woman where the man do the voice note go give. Una hear wetin the woman they talk. He say, may you still find small for inside the money come for me. Not be me and you they gather do the shame through. Because the man they use they pack Euro people money. While the woman they use all the name of I want go sing music. All of us now Beni, they use and they come here, they pack our clothes, they pack our money, they pack our things. At the end, they will say we be full. If you see the way the man talk just now, say that woman so where they call is it what he call her Rita. He say ogele zo, ogele kondewa. That is how they see all Europe women. Believe it or leave it. That is how they see Europe people. Believe it or leave it. My people, time don't come for we to wake up. We are not doing it for ourselves, but for our children, our unborn children, the one we would already born, say, make them not grow, come fall into victim with this kind of people. When you see their faces, they appear to you like good person, but deep down in them, they bewitched. That woman saw now where they talk just now, say, hey, my back benene shentro. You as a woman, if you be woman, we be say, you dey responsible. If you be woman where be say won't they eat for your belly. Something where you know say a man can also do it to your daughters tomorrow. Man tell you that kind of thing as a good woman where you supposed to be. You know if it will say why you they do all this kind of thing? I don't like man where they do all this kind of thing. Because if you did now you they see this Rita how they chop. If you don't see a chop, not my how you go come chop. The reason why they are paying those prices now, because you see how these people turn to sucking. You know, it's one suck sagim and irrewable. You see how it all started? More na they listen. I that swing.
Farmer for us. Say, me tell me, Babe, what we back the throne now. Destiny, the Baba Shetro. Destiny, the president of Shetro. She get father of
yes.
For Nigeria.
I can easily say yes to it.
Tomorrow I cannot. On Saturday, when Sandra go they play, Baba Osula go they play, me go they live video, I go they give Esther and Destiny award of Shetro president. They need to carry award. 2 of them. The woman go be
yes, ma'am, Mama Gloria.
Say na ya say I use enough fire with Charlotte.
We make kiri I say so na get back be. Oh, what a ring, what a my go real. I be na get ya pay. Do ya pay. Ya le pay a le bagaye.
Una ye. He say the woman said this Shetro so. Yes, now. He said, the woman said, this Shetro so. Bring the contact. Come me and you for the player. You know why he said bring the contact? Come. He need to introduce her also to the same woman now. So that either the woman go come join meeting where she did. Or she said go use the woman do goddaughter or godmother. Also look bono ni fake bobo. Or she go find her own strategy to start also sipping money from that person behind doors. Ona we murena bagbe so that ego awawe or wawe pere my bagai. And that is what they have been doing for a very long time. That is why you see this Europe talk that they have been using it to traffic innocent adult people. Right from the time, even before our great king Consul put say Ashawo must stop. They have been bringing girls to be using them to make money. That is why when they start to drag the man for people where he collects money from his hand, where he not do their job, they also add the woman to it. Because if this voice notes get to the police, and they look some people, they laugh when they say that they give the hope, say, eh boy, ewe bo jina. Ewe bo, ewe jina. Ewe bo jina. A lot of people have been banned never to step their foot into some of these countries. Or if you last you become a victim. This thing one they look so say na play. This thing. If you do odunga, say you go no say even at Baba I'm not saying this now because of say I will tell you no, but I'm letting you know that for Europe, even 5 years old, fi carry phone call balegbe for you, and with all this evidence, giagba agbe Shetro, giagba ri oigo, giagba we no pa ado ya viena banene trafficking ya fefefe. You will first serve like 30 years first for prison. Then before they finally deport you and ban you forever, never to step your foot for these countries. Because you guys are not welcome. Because you will be fraud. Romance scam. Neither they call her. Is it romance scam or romance fraud? Neither they call this one a job. And this woman was involved also. She was involved in romance scam. They scam Rita. The evidence is here. They scam a lady called Rita. Una see do all these things. Benin people still got that say, okay, we still forgive una. Let bygone be bygone. Wama eweva? No. Una can fire down for trafficking. Collecting money. I wish as una even see they say, okay, una feel bring person, una they bring person. Me no get problem because everybody for Africa want jackpot. That will not be problem. But now we collect their money, still they threaten them. Wa gwa, iwa fian wenye, iwa pien wohu, iwa boa, iwa bunwowe, iwa zie hoyoweko. Are you for real? Are you for real? After all these things you did, we damn you a boy day, we bona, just they play. Just they play. Mona listen. Una hear wetin this one, the woman say one they do our Edo women where don't spend money for the man. After those people don't spend their hard-earned money for the man, they don't spend all their life savings, everything for the man. Then the man now go start to the flaunt his wife, which is this woman now where they talk one of his wife. Then those women now where spend money, because they no go fit drink water, they no fit see money take better food eat. Instead, because if they talk, they go threaten their papa, threaten their mama. They will say they want buy them, they want do them like this, they want do them like that. This is what our Edo women have been facing. Not only from this man, but a lot of people. Now they see them out there. They will come outside, put on smiley face. We will say this brother na good person. They're no good. They are all online romance scammer. Now they be.
Okay, now they be. If now all the days, that time when they know they see moto, people like the master,
my people now they hear.
Hey,
now, una dey hear wetin the woman they talk. Una dey hear wetin the woman they talk. Now say they say they no go feel rest for your matter. They say they no go still rest for my matter. Any man or now, how do you expect these people to rest for your matter? After una don't shop their money, after una don't draw them go back, after una don't collect every important thing for their life. Now, those ones now call the announce una from bus stop to bus stop, junction to junction. When idwa tie bowe enwe o kin agbin abemi yan ni o kan gbowe abie emi yan ni o kin agbowe amadegaza airi gaza. You collected these people money, you shop it, you and your husband, then you dey talk say enwi yan mana guwa ban. My lady say, put volume small. Let me see if I can on my speaker. Let us see whether I feel on this speaker, whether in charge.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh no. Let me see if we feel use speaker fire down for inside. So which one be this thing? Oh, I got to boy connect. Okay, let's go there. Okay. I just premiere the battery, no low. We'll see. Let me take care back a little. Nah, wanna listen to the woman advisor. I dated the man, made they can't go do juju. Made the man can't go bath with juju water. Made the man can't go tie juju. Because after all the atrocity where they don't do to God children, they started facing attack. Asonwa vana swan kuyan. Eni kauna swan kuyan. Omok biamoko na swan kuyan. Ina swan mina mi ama emiede. So they decided to go to spiritual level. Ina igagwale babalawo no guyan kwe na viri yegbiyan. Please, Mona, thumbs up this video. This video not get thumbs up. That is why they go up and down. So, Mona, let me thumbs up this video. Love and like, okay? This video, my page. I want to go share them again. Okay, my lady. Thank you, Mama, for sharing. I know what they talk, but I want to hear the audio.
No, come here, Mama. The better now carry soon. Carry what I soon. I will travel here to now. I will go. I go la me no ya we. Even you can keep fat. Pass it. You can buy a kuje kunya. Buy a kuje kunya. You go down here the pure in your field here munya. You meet down here or put down here can well. You make a near we are ya who real. Here you are passing with the big because if any anywhere. So when I pay what the woman I will family have it with the can be covered on me with this and take you. Yeah, the linear. Let's see how we are with.
So my people, this audio I just played now. Now during the time where the man want to a father burial. Now no, so when the man father want to do a papa burial, this man came out to invite everybody. Now he come out by himself for come invite friends and family. May they come up and do a papa burial. May they come follow and celebrate. May they come follow and bubble tibo. Not knowing that the invite where they invite those people, he not reach their belly. The invite was to plan a spiritual attack to those people. People where want to spread their money, how to use evil water bath, destroy those ones, destroy money for their hand. Make sure say after they spray they not go meet up again for life. Turn every single people where want go get the money for that party. So the woman now is not telling the husband that I will pass all the local government in Iyokoriomo to go and get the strongest of the strongest juju to make sure that these people that we invited to your father's burial, we are going to torment all of them spiritually. That is the meaning of this audio. Because I see no reason why you they do party. Now you are NASA. Now you invite people. Now you want to see they use juju bath. Now you want do juju money. Now you want use juju hand touch everything. I see no reason why you go do that kind of thing. If you know, say you they fear people where you don't do bad thing, they also they find you, make them do you back. Kukuma do your thing private. No invite anybody. But why must you invite people and you don't already go bath and mosun for their head? You don't already go the money where they won't spray. Why already ye egg by a baligo or bonnie? Why will you do that, my sister? My adult sister, I'm not here to saga. I know they do saga again. I only use my video now to teach. Why will you have this message to your fellow Edo people? Vinya way, wo inviting have a party. No be you call them made they come. No be you call they say made they come. It don't say you no call them, they no go still come. Ugia ina wa amviave madogwa na mosunwe ya nyegbe. Udiviere nube to bowetie. Now be say when you do your own papa, oh, that bone welele no be here. No wonder. Una listen you.
Una ye. I be me a translate. Una ye. Una de do. What make you? Me will break me. He say this burial where they come so before burial come. You go look for water to take bath. She bona know me na ya me. How we ya who na you know na this one you know bath meaning you know prepare you know gallant. That gallant not be gold though, not be silver. You not be small when you go open eye for people they give you their thing. Not your when you go say hello baby, you go see finish. If you say kneel down there, you go kneel down there. If you say get up, you go get up. Esther way, ake we bury anu ya way. When if you want bath, now many things they take the bath. Sometimes if they want go back, they'll go back. Don't baby follow body. All his brothers, all his sisters, he go mash them. No where. If they want go back for these spiritual people where they do spirits, hey, they'll go back. Don't baby. They'll say this one Esther, this one Destiny, this one the other one, this one Junior, this one Senior.
Yes, Mama Lady. Please guys, Mona love and like and share. Mona not reason the view. Okay, a lot of people there online and una know say this period everywhere they hot. Saga they hot everywhere. So they go come back, come watch this video. All right? So just thumbs up, drop your comment, forget about the view. Our people will come back. My lady say she be think say Monica alone go fit fight for her. She don't know say Monica is empty by that one don't fit fight for herself.
He said money where they'll come straight. They won't go back. He go give us something made for waste. No never hear they go river. Unumona kbele mana na wa dan le odo buwa because mega time wa Monica ebo agbe ana mi we nu gele wunu me nunu we na hina ana mi me nunu we na hina no we plan it obiere me tamu wani Monica gare ebiebile Monica gare ebiebile
And I know that's why I go record all this.
When they do well, I not meet you. If you not do well, I go meet you. Cannot be me to do, and I got the experience.
Oh, grandma. If you two man get with my bin or in a way, all back with. And we're walking out here. And we're walking out here.
Yes, thank you, my lady.
All the fashion. If we have any, we are also in the well swimming. All for here. No, go back here, mama. The better not carry soon. I carry what I soon. I will travel you to not have it with
he said before this very I go start all this travel we want to come for us so you go village go look for water take bath not be bedroom bath correct water with the smell where they drive evil according to them where they go there take things from people you know say Destiny you boy they know me you go 64 years in no me you go on na your you go back for 7 days on a year take on the Destiny or when wire no you go or web no we are bien bibi or what you go back he say egba I don't know what that one mean but
many of una know what it be egba or what to hang gba yekun. He will continue.
Meaning ojuju he go tire for waste. Hey, salon boy. I see Destiny. Iyan we ari koniti. Iyan wo keti o wa mo mo bo. Egbobo. Iyan wo keti egbobo. Egba ni sister no boy, sister no fien, sister no mu dospiria. O mu dospiria gbe.
Now here wetin Monica talk here. Always sister no mu dospiria. But what is Monica saying today now as we speak? or when you with a middle street, yeah, that's sign of mental discalate patients. Emanere ba. Emani kwigo gie remote. Emanwa wadi she gon money na. Owa swan. Owa that is you owa swan jale vomit okay. Now they hear me so. Una no hear na we to say na the woman that spoil industry. So why is she not fighting where people are not saying say no to Europe tour? They come put the woman joy say she there among people who spoil the industry. Why is Monica not coming to stand as a standing block to say no be she spoil industry? But now she just talk truth for here now say my industry need gweze. Now they say you might be for this life. If they are not benefiting from you, they will turn against you. A betrayal of all time. Una they see human being. Now waiting he beat up by kaput be this. Now waiting she beat up by kaput be this. Say she dey mentally discalate. That one not support her. That one tell her say, you first tell us also time say see this woman see. Now you come they tell us that me know the craze. I don't feel join you for all this kind of craze people fight. That's why that one shifts. Today now she's not doing, I don't know, damage control. Waiting people they talk different. She won't go bring Evelyn join. Any presenter blogger that want to talk about this issue, make una not mind her and Evelyn matter where she go bring come. They talk better thing. She they talk say, if they say me they talk now Evelyn bring audio come for her. She know they talk where say Evelyn matter was discussed inside a local government juju woman WhatsApp group where she creates where it all say na in winner read they go do for there. And I'm again winner. A word ya double waiver for years. Iyana ki a group bane word iyana ya sikoko yeva yana ka ninye word yiba. And one person among them inside that group carry those audio go give a word say iyana a group where be say more than 500 people they inside. WhatsApp group where be say more than 500 people they inside. Edward finally find out that our issue have been discussed for years inside their WhatsApp group. That one provoke. That one come they hear a lot of things. How they downgrade her, how the man they maltreat her, how the man they beat her, how she they snatch the husband, how not be she the husband be won't marry. That one hear all those things. She was so angry. And she also packed her own. She forwarded those audio to her friends. Not to Monica. Because the Monica that I know, if she can come out to say, Edward the view me, she forgot they play Edward voice notes. But because she know, say, no be Edward, she follow talk. No be Edward give had those audio. As I'm talking to you guys now, do you know that Edward friend where he give Monica those audio? Now that thing cause quarrel between Edward and that her friend. But Edward is a very reserved woman. She no want to gather her friend. Because I believe say she just look and say the damage is already done. I mean, the damage has already been done. So adding more people to it will make it worse. No need for me to come they drag this, my friend. Now that one just lock up. All year and I call it a blame since that 2019 where they talk say, now what go give Monica audio. Now what go give, not be what go give Monica audio. My people, not be what. Edward was angry, discussing with her friend. You know, say, you must get one bestie where be say, una go they talk as he talk, As you talk my own, so I go talk your own. You know, I will talk everything, nothing to hide. You know? Maybe that friend go overreact for waiting the skeleton they do air word. Come fast forward to take those things to Monica. And Monica made a lot of money. She do pay show, she do YouTube, do Facebook, do everything. She made a lot of money from those videos. Are you getting me? But nah, she they want to do damage control. She can say na what so not be person if I talk, you don't ever say me na Bible they tell say person slap you here, give on the other side. For 3 grand you slap me here, ik be hammer you are this one. A hammer, a ava you are this one.
Papa be, esta be na. Esta be, ivo be o pe na wa re, e bono mu ro pe na wa do bet. Esta ma make bere, de be no ya pe won ni be no wa ya gbejo. Esta ivo ge o pe na wa mi na. Wa ya gbe yin esta.
Agbaye kuje kunya e. Igo dan ya li fiore yan fiele yan mu yan. Imi dan ya o bodan ya kanwe o. Imi ke ni awon ya ho re o. Yan iwo ban si gbe kiyan. Because yan ene ku e. So when I pay God the room, I be family, I be big. He can be put on me because I will take you. Yeah,
he said anywhere where you do strong finish for a year Korean. Yeah, Lelenia. He said, I think they said there's strong. Need the way for Esther. Esther, you never know Esther. Listen to Esther.
Oh, block it, mom. Block it. It's too late because the man already shop on. No need to block it. As far as with the man told him, my win, my marry, win him on the way. Oh, I go see how I call it people boy because I don't told you, win him or part of my win him or no, I made the trip. But I mean, what matter my win him or not told it. He goes off, live at the collect for young because that one I know I'm in the way he collects in Anya. She be only the one time where I don't fuck in the way he collects. He go no collect my say. I'm not gonna why the office you win money. Understand the winner because they tell me we then I'm we have something to get it in my banner. Yeah, doing with off your banner. Now so if for this fox subject, fuck this one. Come on, go they use until the last chest. And the bed and I ain't gonna say my then I'm here with something to involve with the matter. Ain't gonna say my I too beg so no need when I'm block no yeah I call it you boy. I understand very because then alternative running a banner. The man do a being not do.
Mona listen to waiting, mother of 4 children, old woman like that. Mona hear what she dey talk. Now all this talk, now they take spoil that their movie industry. Ave talona, Taliban, Tali Yokowana. Am we movie industry there. They hear what they talk now. I met they knock they. They go, they use the bow. So as I say, I don't blow this one. This one, I don't blow this one. This one, I don't blow this one. I mean, they blow them through away. Thanks for joining my lady, Favor Joy. I mean, they blow them through away. Responsible woman supposed to be pour this kind of thing for Matt, they talk. Even me at my age, I know people they follow my own friend, they talk, say, that man, he can't go they collect. Like, I don't get it. I don't know. That's what people say they talk, my people.
Understand? So, thank God, they themselves don't know say that they worry themselves. I know why we know yata where in ya we not be working. You want to go. You can't be working money. See America be customer. Everywhere where in ya be work. You can't be customer.
Wait. Somebody say Ogba, you know, say I talk and just now. Say I not to know what to be the Ogba, but I know say now something where they type away. They say Ogba is made with a human body part.
This one I went. Monica the fake saying a Christian, I be this. Monica were fake. Now the time when you yourself see the fake be this 2019. Who wet here? Egba wet here, Ogba. Egba. Now you they call Ogba. Abba say you know one. Born and brought up a dopiki. Egba we my egba. When they got a Ogba. Monica. Ukwa bolo. Kuwe kose wena na wawete mwenu. Ukwa bolo wa mae kopa. Which one can be? Ogba. Wait, somebody, wait. Ogba. Ija. Obi today wara fry. Na wakes one fry is your fibo. The live video.
With the bath also, eh? You know how they feel carry, they'll say, go bring baby way pregnant woman, your banana. Then you see where they will tear pregnant woman. You see, say the killer, the tear belly carry small baby with your day. Then they'll go pan. They'll come filter the water. They'll come give them, make the take bath, make the for bath. Now that one they call bath.
Okay. Now Monica know the one where be the bath. But you don't know the Ogba for inside. Where she they call Ogba. There is difference between Ogba. Thanks for joining, oh, my lady, love me. He said, "How you tell no? She was really faking this actress." Yeah, the like church there. Where the like church there? No, yeah, fake Christianity. You know, yeah, now we talk say. Before they that bath where they bath so say na or your momo na they carry they come buy mama carry the your momo come out for say mama belly they come use and take pan down they come use the sack and everything use and take na they take the bath. So you can't feel no that one way is strong like that. You know can no egba. You know my egba never see them before for elderly people waste people all those hunters where they go bush that time. No be Ogba na Egba. Thank you, my lady. Egbe Monica. Ereni yana we Matthew 13:13. The name is Zachariah 2:2. Yana fake blood of Jesus. Where I say boy yaga jewegen we boy yana for your phone. Now they get me so. Egba na they call her. Evil hunter that time where they go bush all those real hunter where they buy le elephants, lion, everything, they time for waste. Most hunter now you see for their waste because they go bush for night, they must wear them. If they coin the money, they pull them, you see them. Person not they touch them. Woman self not they touch them. Then where you tie walk back, but you know me Bini. Isha. Monica had amen.
Esther, when why you wet and I don't know. They don't know that they can't. They worry themselves and they'll say that they be the best of friends and their mind not free, not pure. May they change for their evil way, may they forget peace. Esther, you know, say that they change evil way, may they get people. Now you go there, they say the people they draw you. No, you're evil. If you na hear evil way talk, but my own and they say you never hear. You na hear what he talk for inside this audio. Married man, Esther, they advise person so say, hey, the married man not talk before. Now where you don't know what it concern you, shopping money, continue to the carry and move, not let him go. Even when the married man be one go, he said no, not let him go because he not tell you saying a married man. Esther desperado. Ashawo, Olebo, witchcraft, jealousy, Esther desperado.
Now this video so now they pay Monica. This particular video so. Because she see and where this guy, whether they call update play this a video today, the thing pay her well. Because now she already talk everything about the friend, the new friend where she knew see so. You can't tell me a batoni. So why is it not strange to her here where she can't hear say people they talk about the woman? Why is Jenny in it for me a damage control? Eh? Even you can't know it alone.
So you fuck grandfather, fuck godfather, fuck your husband godfather. I am in Destiny. As far as Esther, everybody
just their life.
Mommy when you ba we. I think say now we they gather do and you want use you that if you use you gather finish. Destiny no so no that way here can no next here out that way because if you not go now we no too little. And ni joma we ro my oh who mo ya no be almost to me pay back you. Na e jouer agbon je trouser or je short skirt go edo era wo you go. Payback time. Esther. Okay, I'm deal with you where now you number one. Don't pay any need you we like where now. Esther now. Finish me.
Esther, where we love you,
okay. Now that one. This one we are not play. So if you join us for you, you know why. For inside there, they want back to wait up. They cry.
I will come play that one later.
Plenty one day. Oh, no me destiny man go bune. No, the me matter move with destiny Esther buy for them. Yes, I don't see all this one. Oh, una say destiny they do juju. Not true. But when you see Esther, you see the one way pass and because everybody where destiny don't ever do it yo. Now you talk and say go do it yo like this. Open eye for them, they'll go bring their money come.
My people. Una hear wetin Monica call it yo yosna or with yo. Saloba. Monica say it yo na it yo. Ah, she was pretending to people that she don't even know what it be juju. This one a person that way do they swear juju back to back. They even they do babalawo. They wear spiritual ring. They wear everything spiritual. Now they call it yo. Now person will say if you go swear juju. Everything where they use for that, she know all of them. Now she they call it yo.
Destiny don't do. I know ya big kind of soy. Esther soy. Esther pin. Ije pin. Esther, ema no confess bi gwa na kunya kwa de wisi. Ana kunya. Destiny na do mo. Ema no de destiny wa vie yo tone agwe mi ni jebe wu. Ijera gbon je trouser hin odopa nu we mare o mamare okwowe ona do guju wogwa we je trouser le lo da boya hin mare from one obo to another o wan wo we my sister what time anyhow you say do your husband your pikin they wait for am now let you want sabi other women not sabi anything you do your husband is waiting for your pikin
okay.
What's in here? Na ko beboa. Tiana boyine.
Mudian wa dam yo from beginning Monica Italo.
Adra. O what's in here? Na ko beboa. Tiana boyine nyara. Dame ni soundtrack we. We your friend ya friend we friend di me ma begging ya. When I may accompany your friend and we friend.
That first audio just now, my people, way pass so. Now audio of she talking about Sandra. She dey talk for that audio now say a Sandra way in hana e pa ko be gboa. You see and say no be today did they say now all these things scatter their movie industry. Now all these things another thing no they now all these things na scatter their movie industry. Una dey hear na ninye especially Sandra, man Sandra who everywhere Sandra. Una listen to another one from beginning.
May I compare girlfriend and way friend?
Wait.
When girlfriend and friend way friend di me ma begging ya. When I may I compare girlfriend and way friend. E me ya friend me be na saba no give me line be nya ma enu.
Una hear wetin she talk for there. Or where ame ya fe ni ye mi re gbe na or we no so obala o no mo mi ame jin gbere or wa we girlfriend de no pe ama emi we be ge tabe abi yan na e ti yan hun mi le luwo pa kian emi ame no ri yen gbe o kutukutu emi ame ne kio o vu yen gboa. But if they come out, they'll come they pretend for you. They'll go, mi ave no rinya wegbe a 2 years of viale. Me, I cannot go back more and hear where she use her mouth talk, say, she dey sick. Because I just tell her, say, I want to make we listen bit by bit of this audio. I never played this audio before. I never get time to listen to this audio because that time I thought I was supporting the right person. Not until I see the person true color. So now I have all the time to listen to the audio. Yes, I have all the time that I need to listen. Let me take it back. What did they worry this one? Go back. Shamsi. Shizy. Hey. Hey. This thing don't just go back. I will call me, guys. How many with all these shows now? I can start now. Don't listen to you.
Get people now you go there this. Even when the married man go father almost to me. The one way pass and because the trouser the sickness your mama age.
Bueno, you need 137,500
because woman where they this place where
apart from the no good we carry look at
I hear with you.
no fall no fall the day I know they will win it
whoever find peace wetin
you start from here
you do you way you go come be so the sickness where they this world it go ever dey your body because now wetin you dey
okay
people go
make I come and go back let's say we don't pass it now yeah
Yana boyin na nyaga. Dame ni satra gbe. We your friend ya friend we friend di me ma begging ya. When I email ya compare girlfriend and we friend. E mi ya friend me ni gbe na saba no give me line gbe nya ma emi o.
No say you know Emiame we say you see for body. They say one time when they whatever come they do they can't remove her womb. Maybe Emiame ya Esther ye that bone when no salo all this all
so they don't even see remove her womb. No Monica Manaye Yana. So again one time when they say she's sick, according to Monica, I said they can't remove her womb. Mama katebe hono na ga give me womb. No wonder.
What you they do? You know whoever find peace. Waiting come there you do you way you go come be so the sickness where they this world. It go ever there your body because now waiting you the plan for people go follow you. All the sickness where they this world. Anything where you go plan for us. Anything where you go anything where you don't the plan now. Una go see oh even social media. Esther the plan for us. As Esther take plan, oh, can go with me and no bobo or anything. But then all yari ni my picture you. Oh, when no yari Korean. If a Korean, why woo? On be a woo, doctor.
Yes, no can. The day I know they will get yari, okay, okay, go off here. The day I know they will win it, that's new. If when I'm why don't I say, why are we compared Tracy? No, we are compared Tracy. No.
When I hear the woman, they swear for the man. Now the woman, they saw the man. Now wait all zoo I will wear. Edo wa gbo bianu, gbe wo gbo bianu ewo wa. Ugbe ni, o gbo bianu ewo wa. O wo we ro na ti Tracy. O we to bianu azu I will wear. Agad iyaga igari ba ya jagbada iya ijelesi iyaga yobo helesi o helesi re we are wagunya go we don't talk to me I'm not your mate don't talk to me igbe anopomo ebo gbewo wa ni no wo kiyan gia biyan owo wa igbe anene save wa igbe anene save wa We are what don't talk to me. I'm not your mate. I will deal with you. Oh, we are not made them away. I will deal with you. I will do you this. I will do it. Oh, we have to me. Ekwe we have sashiki. Ha me weto ozu we no.
Wa lo do aba say kiare. Why are compare Tracy no zu wa we na. Ye we mu. We are compare Tracy no go fa no fa lo ni na me we awo ya ikpele level. Tracy said no be we. Na that is said I said that is your boy. Wa ma mu we. Una ya compare defend ya no friend na make dey. Apart from the local we carry you come go your own the no more we go ya no friend. Tama me no you are we there we are fear you ba. Tama
na the year. Na destiny they cause so then they talk to.
Evil cause the mind, no she evil cause him mama join and say the man they carry him mama age mate. So it look what dwe wo wa is outside wa bad wa si lele si re. Yo salo boame.
Na so old women need that bear. I mean for need you want to agagia in the age where na every you that's your mama age.
Shock go.
And that one.
My lady. Understand na dear the thing shock me. Even me myself I shock.
$1,000 from 64 years old woman. He collect the money finish say oh smelly bush.
I was born 1981. If we are a patient in a friendly party, who got moving a year go away past by him. Here go away past here. Party must not be. I bet you.
I don't want me play to the end. I don't want me make sure.
Social media presidency by hey, what dinner? All the people on social media ask me about. When I get the
una hear where they talk say all the old people where they do social media have been by. We marry my people. Hey, they don't carry us go where we no know. You have sure any social media president or where my any social media presenter see or what vinha by. You have vinha marry as or what vinha by oh. Abina my ear de pay me. Osio e mak be fo, osio e mak be fo. Ora hades e so negosio.
So when I get the message now we travel.
We making union. This still does still go back. Play. Okay, ke wa so le ya.
When I get the message now we travel by there. And I imagine
river.
So so that opportunity
na de ye o we na jeze o me so no wa ya zese salobua hi eke na we gbegbe eke ni na energy your mama zese my people don't play eke na we gbegbe we no bo to we na ni ana gbon me o e ma no si digin e ma no gbele wa mani ma poro no so gbiyan
iwa tele ni ese to go me timi ya no rin ba ya fi yo so no ego ni 137,500 they calculate my brother the 100 37,000 I go ni mari ne maybe me agwa lo ni dine go na yari ne no ya mu na maybe last because if that time we there only I answer me with me I am at 500 the one e wo ya fe whatever wo me la go na ga 500
I don't play passion.
I mean at this
wadami yo mi ni atawa owo mi la we ni ya ga 500 ni ya fe ni rewa Already no be a 100 carry. A big man for that matter. I know what the 500 dire. No we what 500 carry. No we what we me aboard your transport and whatever bag go. We ni 100 dire we no na go boni we are what e buy. O sa dek beran we river ona zegi asi wan la dian we. Eri ju edu elele ra ma mi pele mo mi mo na mo gbe kwa. But also bo we are wa ti wa la dian okay. Gia onyo sie. Ayo Igo ne boeri na ewa gbun. Adient. Venaje eria eje. O saya ni ha etinya haya. Except mani masola dian with social media. Won in na mo wo sama sola dian. Won tu jani ha. I una di go ni nyama wini wina no ni awe nuwe ni awu. With evidence o. Wa de social media do so yin o saya ni ha etinya ase ya. Okpa make. Amari info awo.
Mo 500. Boy in your last. Whether good or bad, no one here lose 30. Maybe although you have pardon the first and second junction. Although you have loco.
Hey. Okay, no wonder they call like pardon the musician. No, I know whether they call like pardon the musician. I will audio that me maka pay my people. Me anya we pardon the musician, pardon the me. They know me pardon the musician. Why me ni awe ya violele ada ode ya fefefe na layo lare. We are late Joshua so ya we are to ze. Am I a musician wana? You know what they responsible of Joshua pollute. You know what pollute avec Joshua ni ya fefe. Why me ni awe ya viole level ivio saloboa. Wa gada mi okian. Ave mi nani ya ya wina neni ah. For me.
Go ni mari ne. Maybe ni agba lo ni dine. Go na yari ne. No ya wina maybe last. Because if you that time we there on me answer me with me. I am at 500 one e wo ya fefe ni whatever. Wo me la wo na ga 500 ni.
I don't play fashion.
Ya me na tabesi.
I don't want to play fashion.
I will see my 500. Boy in your last. Whether good or bad, no one here lose 30. Maybe although you have pardon the first and second junction. Although you have loco. Although you have Neba awe we ni ba o 10,000 lele. O 30,000. All ye now. Ma ha di mu moto no ha big mama. Boy I am with boss. O mu moto.
Owa mu a boss. A full boss. Oh, nyasi le madogwana yaji my people. Full boss. Hey, salobo. Doko nu wegi home, my sister madam. Doko nu home. Nuana mwe full boss u leze u luloko. U le nene ni Joshua wakba. Wa munya uno demagwa. Ige uwa seti agbiviere ya miyeko. Wa seti mi viereko without them complaining. Na rivonia. Igoni wamagi haya. With a serious shame and disgrace. Wamagi have igoni ya fe with a loss, shame and disgrace ya. Imegi no we. Even wamukpa de deba. Mwe J5 Joshua ba. Jenene uloko ba. Wa etu wa ye ha ikianti tomorrow. Ikian ye vuwa vuvu. We mani isan wo. You need God. Go and embrace God. Go and give your life to Christ. Boss yanu shata. Ikpade de yanu. As you loko yanu yo. Shame and disgrace. Ya ejowewu. De no kyo wa my people na amwe pastor. They pay all the money for yes now with everlasting shame and disgrace. De no kyo wa ona ya amwe pastor. Ye ma imi abi pade de no ya amu no ya kyo wa. Yes, ma. We may me pa de rimu. Our bow any nutiania denia do lerun your wawa. Because that is what you believe so much in. Then imagine ya shata a full boss. A 14-seater boss. Ya shata we are still looking at having we are a potu wawani we are a zobo zobo inyani ba nyani fwa mone quick monoba noba zigi emi yani we are son kwa wa avion ni ake before 1 hour ya neni san vuela vueli ne wi moto we na ya bi san ya wo bamigo just to steal from people. No book we agba we no book we agba we na oji then we na ole emiero buyu ao ti tomorrow emiere ni oye buyu ao ogieva when we beg go kieto oge viereje for the past 50-30 years a business ni owo ni jevagbo agbo me eyo we owo na etokin eto hairdresser owe oni ewe buyu ao ni agwa bonu ya mu pade de yada bameto no ni wekin aho ya mukpade de yada bameto nu do va ni wokin no panu enu do no do ogu no ogu se ni ne ki ai no gwedu emi nu me wa appreciate emi nu me wa appreciate we bona ni ma e push we yi na we no level doan they go to no level neneni. I don't have power to say no to Europe tour, but as everywhere they hope, so let the wise people make the lie low for now. Una fall victim one. Oh boy, you are your. You are your. Ewan irewebo. Erere ni buma igba. Etereri ma ereri ama gba we maybe tinya ikolo no. Iya howu. Iya ke we mi ya goda ogi yeke. Iya goda ogi yeke. Et so je seti bloquer yan viani bien abai we o mo pa ke kan ni ai ko won ni nuga make noise yan o uma onu iyan we nuga make yan ma we nu make noise we do iyan we nu mo noise we ni ko do ade do ya disturb yan be ma ogun ami o kekere ni wala pa
at 8 years oye papapa no ya lupo bo yan no ya in segbe at 8 years be like me I say na 48 years. Hey,
I for kill I ready to take scatter before ima only the more than here because he are more than here e can tin you know when you go more than Sandra. Yeah, more than here. I can't tell man a Sandra no raise the line because all the equal checking why you got by Sandra they are all fake. A Sandra on your cake cannot see. So you are more than the presenter. I can't think I know the other Sandra. I know the other Sandra. Yeah, me have the account in our way. I win it. Near Facebook. They are wrong. Now me know they get them because they just rubbish themselves. I don't get time to come say they bother myself about them. I face my work. They say now stand up better but we did this industry together. Okay, I no man say. When it's under your region now. Hey, you small. We are Betty. They are going to Betty now.
Una year. Hey, say I go kiss Sandra. I put here for you. This one.
So when I get the message,
okay, we don't play it now.
This one, so when Monica plays, so when Monica na vetori. E when Monica na wa vetori, presenta no the 10% ibasaga. A particular party na my people origele nyo. Orinyo. Ana wupade de agboma o. Ipade de agboma o. Monica na wa de 10%. Even na pa yen na de 10% yo. Nike was all true. Ona fiwa babege owinya we e Sandra e o mase inya we Sandra ya like say she was so pained that people love Sandra. She was so pained that people are showing Sandra love. Wa love vomas veke no jo kekere no wa bu. Vene mama love yin na nia. O wa kekere no wa bu. O ma no vie love no. O ma ne love. both relationship, both environment, both everything. Eta boyata with Sandra. Till tomorrow to ye gbavo ni Sandra. Because in your paro no ya soni. Omo work pa ni never. E ban ye be hotel ni me hotel. De mi no ya soni. Oni me hotel. O ma mo hotel ge la dian o. Oni me mo hotel ge la dian. E live video but o me hotel. Oni so e be ya. Oni so e. Oni me mote vane nye mo pa. Inwino ni omuye. Rudef a movie industry. My sona ye Sandra we leader. You know we are like even no ya wa we na ije. Gele wa Sandra ni so we na ije. All that is ogwasi e ma koko. O na iso amu pa dede. O na iso amu pa dede. Ipa dede na iga so we sisi iyen ya we ya like se. Yen ya wa mase. Yeri ya nye Sandra ye ha face. Ke boke ya. Sabo amela o. Sabo amela o. Anybody no go away competition. Anybody no go away competition. When you ko live a simple life in una wa gbonu saloba ya jiwe nu we live nu malake. Ige ni merije a weje ni me live e we like. Ge o we ni me ize wo to we kan bi aze. Wa zo wo pa odegi yeke wa zo we va odegi yeke. Wa gbego da oni wa ba nwuro da onu la mi egbo evi yeke. Rundra no pa ve na va no pa no de. Gwa can be waji we belong here according to your status, according to when you are wearing a who whatever a wari ori.
Joshua, she's just 38 years old woman with no native doctor like this. Shy anyway, he papa na native doctor, he husband and husband and native doctor. The husband of Mama Destiny na native doctor. The Destiny na son to native doctor.
Okay.
You see, a native doctor surround the way.
But those things help them? No. Those things help them? No. Those things favor them? No. No be only they come from native daughter family. No be only they come from native daughter background. Or ma no sakan yebo. Or sakan yebo. Yes. Or ma no sakan yebo. Or sakan yebo. We will come from Edo State. You know if you get one house where you want to see for Edo State where they not get native daughter. In a few houses, your office is okay, native daughter no dey this house. Why me no go the shatter bus now? Take the pack juju go. I baby we are up and down. Why? I was born and brought up inside native daughter house. My grandfather was a great native daughter. My great grandfather was a great native daughter. So they can't even teach people where we say people they respect for the society. My own father was a native daughter. Both mother side, both father side. A native daughter. No. My dad said, if you see our family as our before us, we buy no of Shirai. My father house, our family, my father's side, that is our family house. A full building of Ebo. Our boy buy. My mother's side, everybody know. Ya rake. Why me never go, they carry the juju up and down. Yeah, that the boy. No. I only follow the right instruction of it, of all those ancestral things. Yes. I only they follow the rules. Don't offend people. And everyone bad way. You understand how to live. No, they live life of where you they go backward. You know how to live life. All those things we learn it. Now what did they teach us? They not tell us say that a full boss ya zese. Even my own grandfather that time, if he do juju for you, you no go pay. You no go agree me you pay kobo. He will tell you say this thing where you want to do. So first of all, if not the one way go do for you, he go do for you. If my grandfather cannot bomb for you, no. Wa no bomb no, he go tell you say no. He no go be this person for you. But if you get good evidence or quality evidence of what that person do you, maybe you be orphan, they thief all your papa property, all those things. If he tell you say okay, those property where they carry from your hand, they will return everything to you. If they return that to you, why you bama wa? You go say no, you go say okay. Ariowa, not in 2 weeks, they will call you, they will give you all those things. Once they don't give you, then you come back and thank the shrine. That's what my grandfather tell me. Even my dad, my mama sama, na so they tell the zobo. Na so they tell they do obo. No, they say the 50,000 you told the 10,000. No. The highest thing where people they give my dad that time say maybe your first day for a visit where you come visit her. Now all those ego kind that old one, that ego kind so with some colors. Now they give her. And that colors and that ego so now go take fear for you. Now go they pour. I know some those people where they fear. They'll put that kind for mat like this. They'll shake and they'll pour for that year. That thing where they throw, is it here? That one where they throw for grant, you know, that thing will be like change. So where they used to go to where they throw so that big that's when I go on that big get wait tape day that big cow or something where they throw so. Now that your can go use take doing for you. They go tell you say me you take one cola. You say me you take one cola, me you talk everything where they go or maybe talk and put. What you want me the you do for you talk and put, you talk and put. My papa say put out for girl, you put out. No, not be even the cola, the ikpigo, one of the ikpigo, then I go give you. If you talk of fish, go pour and back. Go look and go say, okay, go read the thing. Go tell you, you go they tell you, so they say, hey, Baba Mata no. But if you tell her, say, bye person, go say no. Go say if they teach your thing, they'll return her. If you struggle for work, you'll get. If you know, not be all this one your boss ya when be alega. I was that time fine, goats not they finish. Meat not they finish. We understand. That one for people. Some people say they want to do ogun. Some people want to do ogun. Some people want to do ason. Now no say ason. All those ason where they do so. You get one forest like where they go they kill meat put. Sometimes they'll go kill dog. Sometimes they'll go kill goat. If you be real all those people, you know those things. And all those ones, now be all those goats where they fool our house. Everywhere go be goats, meat, tortoise, everywhere go full for meat. Say maybe as you carry something, say you get matter. My partner will tell you, say, British shop, come bring one thing. And if he don't still do something for you, now only you by yourself will come see, you know how many, I beg you, not be everything person they talking. They lose some people, though, I don't call some. If you don't know what to do, like all this one now where they do so, where you they steal people, they thief people things. You they thief people things, and you think say they do juju. Now make shame and disgrace enter these people body. Both the one where the juju will take work, both the one where no take work. Any have your bungbe. Now make that juju verse disgrace them. A disgrace you ever saw yani. Forget it.
Alessandra, Gariki, who were, because they all case of deputy walk I wear one when he near Robishing, one when he gave Monica Robishing, Nimare Mutia, near Robishima. So now I imagine everything Robishima, my Mary bring a your mind. Nearly a lake collar and Rosula and Sefe, or Mali let it line. Oh, Tiaheme. And it every day we want to. Yeah, I'm to follow again of it. The YouTube. Any program this one out here. Or probably like that. Different YouTube I can't take care of that.
Okay, now Jennifer, she they talk to more listening because I really confused. I don't know who she they talk to.
At the end, now Alessandra, oh where Gariki, who where? Because the young social deputy walk I where one when he nia robishing, one when he gave Monica robishing, Nimare Mutia, Nia robishing. So now I imagine everything robishing, and I may bring here. Your mind. Here we color and was who lie or money let it lie. Oh, Diakeme. And every day we want to hear more to follow again of the YouTube. Any program like this one out of here. Opera is there. Different YouTube can't take a kid there.
When I don't believe Esther age, me too. Now they not they lie. Don't come up for age.
Thanks for joining. Why you know they pick up?
My people.
You called me.
That's it for tonight,
My lady, you call me back now. Abi na before.
If continuation with day.
Na before, abi na now. If you call me now, I'll see him. Maybe which time you take call me? I never get missed call today. Oh, I never check sharp. But if you call me now, I'll pick it now.
Wait, another audio don't come up. From America with no internet here. Wait another one very old. Very old. I mean, Joe, Siri, I want to nothing now. Destiny. Ooh, delete. All these people, I don't carry on. See, I don't carry on. Go my car. What are you saying? If you don't quick, you send that to me. Me too. I know I am meted the door. What's in the big one? What delete it? Anya monomanje panty last card. Check up, Monica. We are Tana.
Why you can't they cry now?